Yesterday, a Boeing 787 Dreamliner crashed in Ahmedabad, first fatal Dreamliner incident since its 2011 launch. Flight AI-171 took off June 12, Ahmedabad to London, carrying 242 souls. Only one survivor. Crash timing: seconds after takeoff, low altitude, extended gear, rolled beyond runway, signs of stall. Cause: under investigation, likely 6 to 8 months, but expect Boeing to be under fire. Settlements: $2.5 billion criminal fine, 2021, another $1.1 billion sweetheart deal in 2025 to avoid prosecution. Leadership churn: exec shakeup post-Orplug, CEO Calhoun ousted, Kelly Ortberg now at helm, scrubbing image.
Donald Trump is in Qatar on the second stage of his 4-day Middle East tour, signing deals on defense and aviation. The US president says the aviation deal is worth £200 billion and involves Qatar buying 160 Boeing planes.
Despite record GCC airlines, especially in Qatar, UAE, Saudi, have snapped up Boeing jets en masse. Why? Trump-era US lobbying boosted Boeing deals across Gulf, extending over $300 billion orders, all amid safety scandals. As of now, the crash cause is unknown, but with Boeing's scorecard, expect all eyes on engineering, oversight, culture. Yet, Gulf's appetite for new jets remains unchanged.